Guys, we're going to try something. Are you ready for this? We're going to make a wreath. But instead of using pipe cleaners, we're going to use zip ties. Why? Because the pipe cleaners suck. Okay? They hurt my wrist. So, we're going to see if it works.
This is my craft room. This is my craft room. This is my craft room.
Now, I'm just going to take this roll of mesh. I'm going to cut because with this, it's a different type of material.
The messier, the better. So, you know what, guys? You don't have to be good at crafting to do this. I'm going to show you how to make this wreath, and it's going to look bomb, and it doesn't matter if you know how to do this or not. Different things. And another thing I say is always go with different colors, always go with different sizes and textures. Textures is a big one. So for my base, I'm gonna go with one of these, which was the 22 inch, one of these, which is a 10 inch. I'm not gonna cut this half, I'm just gonna cut this in strips. And then I was thinking this. So when you try to do everything perfect and nice, that's when art does not turn out as art. Now I'm going to cut this up. And again, 10-12 inches. One piece of this, one piece of this, and one of these. Because remember, I said I'm OCD and I go in threes. Love me or hate me.
Hold it like this. Are you ready? Hold it like this. And I'm just going to squish it. That's what I want. See? Then I'm going to take this piece, put it like that, and I'm going to squish it. See? I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to stick it up here. Okay?
You ready for this? You ready for this?
Okay, so I'm just going to take the zip tie, I'm going to put it over. We got the zip tie, we got it right here. Alright? We're going to take it like this. We're going to come over to our wreath form.
Yep. Fun fact, like one of my very kind of first videos was making a wreath.
Alright, so we're going to go over 2. See that?
Over 2. See that? I'm over 2. I'm going to take it, put it in there. See me? I'm going to pull it tight. It worked! It worked! It worked! Alright, look. How cute is that? Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and go all the way around and we'll see how it turns out, right? Now again, let's be messy about things, alright? Let's not go same way every time. Don't look at it and go, well, she went orange, and then she went this one, and then she went the other one. We're not doing that. Grab them and go, man. We're going to do them all different. So it's a variety.
Started out with the 2 bottom, now I'm going to go to the 2 middle, and then next I'll go up at the top, and then whichever way.
Here I am. Sticking it in there, putting this in this, pull it tight, boom, baby. Can you tell me how freaking cute that is? You can tell me, I'm listening, you can tell me. use my last piece that looks like this. But guess what? I don't care. And why don't I care? Because what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the stuff that I'm gonna add to it, like all the pumpkins and everything else. I'm just gonna take that and I'm going to put that, the majority of it over there, and it's just gonna cover it up. So once I run out of it, I'm just gonna use the other colors, and I'm telling you, it's gonna look just fine. You don't panic about things like this, guys. The biggest thing is you have to make sure they're full. Don't make no little weak ass wreath with one piece of mesh. I'm gonna go two oranges and then one ribbon, and I'm gonna do the rest of this. Guys, I'm telling you, it's going to turn out bomb. Trust me. Just squish it. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it.
Another layer I want to add. And you're going to say, here you go again with those threes. Yes, here I go again with those threes.
I love glitter. I love glitter. I tell you guys all the time, I love glitter. You want to take your ribbon, you want to take the side out that you like, okay? So and then you're going to fold it inwards. So when you take that and you fold it inwards, and then you hold the crease over here. Oh, you're right-handed. Oh, you know what? Since you're looking at me, it might be right too because I'm a lefty. But anyways, we're just going to take it, and you just cut it like that. Ta-da! It's that easy.
And don't worry about trimming it because we're going to do that when we stand it up. So I'm just going to fold it. And I'm going to put this like this. Zip ties. Let's go ahead and go one on the outside, one on the inside, and one on the outside again. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to hang this up because everybody wants to decorate their wreaths while they're laying down. And that's fine and dandy, but as soon as you stand them up, they kind of don't look good. So I always try to do mine when it's up. So that's why I bought a wreath holder stand. Or what you can do is hang it up on the door and decorate it.
I'm going to have that to the side because I like my stuff to be over on the side. Oh, he's got to go in the middle. He's got to go in the middle. So now I'm just going to put these pumpkins on. These pumpkins and these flowers. I'm just going to go like this. Flip it and oh my all your love and support. Until next week. Until next week. We will speak next week. Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant